Welcome to the introduction to heat maps. My name is Rens and I'm CTO with Vectar. Today I'm going to show you our patented heat maps for augmented and virtual reality. I've just opened the Jesco, one of GreatCast's best spaces. This is all browser based and I'm running Chrome at the moment. So I'm going to load the augmented reality heat map for January of this year. And I'm going to show the floor and intensity heat map. So here it is. The marks on the floor show where users have been standing. The colors on the model show where users have been looking. Blue is less, dark red is longer exposure. As you can see, there's an apparent path most users walk. And when you get closer, you can see that they like to look inside the car. The steering wheel is dark red and shows a lot of attention. You can see on the floor that they really are sitting in the car. Also a little more color on the logo of the car. So this is the same period, but now I'm showing the 3D viewer. Here you can see the interaction of swiping to move around and pinching to move forward and back. This makes these kind of broken glass patterns. The top of the car is red, because that has a strong focus while rotating around. Again, we see an increase in attention on the steering wheel. Thank you for your time. And would you like to know more about heat maps? Please visit Vectar.com.